Hi, hope you're all doing well. We are going to start the third and final subsection of the clinical engineering module. So, in the first subsection, we looked at transducers and sensors and signal conditioning. In the second subsection, we looked at electrical safety. And in this third section, we are going to look at medical devices and medical systems, how we deliver uh, healthcare to patients, and what is the role of biomedical engineers or clinical engineers in doing that? Where is technology used? Okay, and we are going to take kind of an eclectic uh, uh, bunch of applications of technology in different fields. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to look at gait analysis. Now you may think, oh, what is gait analysis? Now gait analysis is basically uh, the the systematic study of human walking. Okay, so as we walk, uh, the way we walk tells us something about our joints. It tells us something about the muscles that we have, and it tells us something about the balance that we have, and these things are studied under the head of gait analysis. And technology is very prominent in gait analysis, and that's why we are looking at it. Okay, so Oh, so you can see this lady walking, and somebody has shot a video of it walking, and clinicians will be able to look at this gait and they will be able to say, well, the gait is fairly normal, or there is some issues with this gait. Okay, and of course, a very trained clinician will probably be able to look at a patient and be able to say what's wrong, and will be able to prescribe some measures to overcome the problems that is happening. But technology and recording the information and measurement of various joint angles, EMG of the muscles, will not only help the experienced clinician in making his decisions, but it will definitely help the less experienced ones in making proper decisions. So, why gait analysis? First of all, gait analysis is an excellent functional test of many systems in our body. Okay, one of the reasons why is because walking involves an interaction of multiple joint movements, right? So it's not just the ankle joint, but it's also the knee joint, it's the hip joint, it's your spine, it's the way you hold your shoulders, everything, right? And it is also a test of sensory motor integration, because it's not just about activating your muscles, but it's about sensing uh, your balance as you walk. So gait analysis can serve as a proxy, as a kind of a test for all these kinds of systems, and that's why it becomes it's a very good test. And it provides insight into many different things. It tells you, it helps you in decision making as you're doing surgery, especially joint surgeries. It helps you design good prosthetics and orthotics. It helps you examine and decide what kind of rehabilitation strategies you need to give to a person who has some kind of a problem. And it also gives you an objective tracking of progress, right? So let's say there is a problem with the hip joint, okay, and you do a gait analysis and you see that the hip is not really moving very flexibly, and then what you do is you do a corrective surgery. You do the gait analysis again and you see that the hip is moving much better than before, and therefore you have an objective measure of tracking, right? So gait analysis is very versatile and is very commonly used in many places. In the next few videos we'll look at a few more details of gait analysis.